Energy Geeks are on site today in Woonsocket, Rhode Island, blowing energy-saving cellulose insulation into the empty cavities of the exterior wall of this home. In just 5 simple steps, the homeowners will be saving money on heating and cooling all year long. The first step is to remove the siding from the home. You can see how professional our techs are. With the siding removed, the sheathing underneath is drilled into. You can see how empty these walls are. There is absolutely no insulation in there holding in the heat, the warm and cold air. Next, one of our techs will dense pack the hole with the cellulose insulation. You see how the hose is going all the way up the empty cavity? And the process is actually very quiet. You can't really see the cellulose blowing through the hole, but it is. And it's filling it up, so it'll be completely full.
These are full.
Over here you can see how full these walls are with cellulose insulation. That hole is then plugged with a styrofoam plug. And then the siding will be replaced. And that's it. 5 simple steps. Saving money on energy. Energy Geek serves most of southeastern Massachusetts and all of Rhode Island. But best of all, these homeowners are having up to 75% of the cost of this work paid for through National Grid's Energy Wise program. The same program is in Massachusetts through Mass Save. Call Energy Geeks for information.